Hi everybody, it's John here, Tameside Handyman. So this service is for a replacement extractor fan for your bathroom or other shower room. Please note this is a replacement service. It is not to fit an extractor fan where you do not currently have one. It is for an Envirovent fan. The description can be seen below or above on this post. I do have other fans available, but this is for the Envirovent replacement. Now you do not have to have an Envirovent in place, you just need to have a fan of the same size in place. If in doubt, please email me and send me a photograph of the fan that you have at the moment. Thank you.